Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the best iOS apps for the month of March. We have some pretty cool apps, so let's get started. The first app on the list is Plus, which helps you display all your social media profiles with the help of a single click. This app, which is available on both iOS and Android, along with the web version, can create links for social media apps such as your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, email ID, and much more. Each Plus gives you access to all the links related to a person or brand. It also tells you how many clicks you got on any links you've set up. They were also kind enough to sponsor this video, so do check them out. The second app on the list is Cosmic Watch, which is the world's first and most advanced interactive 3D astronomical time device in this digital age. Okay, so this app seemed very confusing to me at the start and I didn't really know how to use it. So this can help you get the local time of any place on Earth by one touch. Yes, you heard that right. You explore the universe in its past, present or future and see the exact time for sunset or sunrise. You can also find your real-time position and you can learn a lot of things about timekeeping, astronomy and astrology. So if you're into all this stuff, I'll leave the codes popping somewhere here. You can get them on iOS as well as Android. Glitch lets you edit photos and even videos with a glitch effect. It has various modes like VHS mode, 3D transformations, color distortions. It has various filters and effects, layers and masks. You can also create GIFs using this. You get immense amount of control over your editing and it's totally worth it. You can also export to Adobe Creative Cloud or Photoshop directly. This app helps you protect the privacy of your photos by removing the XEIF data of your photos. If you don't want them to share to your location, this can be done easily with the help of a single click, as your iPhone automatically stores the location in your photos. It is a really nice app and you should definitely check this out. And while we all use VPNs, and there are a lot of times when VPNs don't work and they ask for various signups. You obviously know what a VPN does, and Viper VPN works every single time. It's just a VPN app that works every time that I wanted to share with you. It also has various features like changing locations and selecting the fastest server near to you, and also it has 1 GB limit of your lifetime, after which you can upgrade. Well, that's it guys. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel. I have a big update, so do check in the description below and I'll catch you in my next video.